So you're interested in getting started with resin. How do you keep yourself safe? But you can create beautiful things. You just have to start with safety. So what is the PPE, personal protective equipment, that you need to get started with resin? It doesn't matter if you have a low VOC or zero VOC, it still has fumes. Once that exothermic reaction happens, those vapors start coming up and you need to keep yourself safe. Here are 4 things that you need to keep yourself safe when working with resin. Number 1, gloves. This is a toxic substance. You don't want to work with resin without covering up your hands, okay? Don't touch resin with your bare hands. Number 2 is a mask. So there's 2 different types of masks when you're working with resin, okay? You're gonna have a dust mask, and this is gonna be when you're sanding it, when you're polishing it, when you're doing any of those things. This is for dust particles. But when you're mixing, it doesn't matter if it's non-VOC or zero VOC, it does not matter. The best thing to do is protect your lungs and use a mask. So this is a vapor mask. This is for gases and vapors. These are 2 complete opposite things. Now you can get cartridges that are for dust for this mask right here. These actually just come right off, and this can be interchangeable. So if you just buy this mask and buy the 2 different sets of cartridges, which I'm gonna link everything that I'm mentioning down below. I have bought so much stuff and I've wasted so much money. Skip the learning curve, I got you. These are the basics, okay? All right, so you can get 1 mask and switch this out. So the pink is for vapors and gases, and then I think it's like a grayish color for the dust. I don't like doing that. I like this dust mask. This is just too much for me. It's too, I don't like it, all right? So mask. Another thing, you're gonna wanna protect your eyes. I splash resin everywhere all the time, So you're gonna wanna protect your eyes. There's so many ways in doing that. So I actually use this when I'm sanding or routering or doing anything like that. These are my goggles. I love these DeWalt goggles. And then I bought, like, I think this is a 10 or a 20 pack of these, and I just keep them at every station around my shop. My miter station, my bandsaw, my CNC, my lathe. Like, I have these everywhere around my shop. But now I have prescription glasses, so I actually got these wood grain ones, and these are so pretty. So, and I can see a lot better, but they're dirty right now. Anyways, all right, so I'm interrupting the video. If you're getting any value out of this video and you wanna see more content like this, I am uploading videos almost every other day or a few times a week. Press the like button, comment, and subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and it really helps my channel boost in its algorithm. And if you don't know what that is, it just helps me get to more people that are trying to learn about epoxy resin and woodworking. If you wanna see more content like this, it will also help bring those videos to you as they come out. You can press the little bell button and personalize your notifications, so that way when I upload a video, it will ding or whatever it does. But ultimately, it's free. If you do want to take a deeper dive into things, I am going to be doing some epoxy resin classes, so that's super exciting. And by spring, I want to do some in-person workshops over in Grand Rapids. I'm based in Michigan. So back to the video. All right, one more thing that you're going to want to do is protect your surfaces. You can do this with these little silicone mats right here, or you use plastic. And the plastic that I get is on rolls, and I buy 3 mil and up. And the reason that I do that is because the resin will do this. Look, the resin just peels right off, and you can reuse the plastic forever and ever, or just a really long time. Also, another thing is like an apron. If you want to protect your clothing, I promise you're gonna get resin on you. If not right away, eventually. I've ruined so many shirts. I just don't care because I have work clothes and I don't want to use an apron, so I don't. But I have a couple, but I just don't use them. So if you want to protect your clothes, basically protect your lungs, your eyes, your skin, and your clothes, okay? All right, PPE. All right, you guys, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did and you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment if there's something that you would like to see that I have not covered or that you haven't seen a video about. I will do my best to bring that to you. Also, if you know somebody that is getting started in resin and you want them to be safe, send them this video. I promise, taking these couple of steps just to make sure that you're safe when you're working with this chemical is going to ensure that you're safe. Okay, bye.